Go ahead, mate, 1-4.
Job number 490. We've had a look at that. There's a tile off the ridge cap, but the owner's going to be away, going to Queensland tomorrow. So if we can get somebody there tomorrow to put a sticker back on again, we should be right. Over.
Okay, you're not proceeding to do that job tonight?
We can't, we haven't got any equipment to do it.
Okay, I understand now. So that was job number 490.
Put over that.
Okay, understood.
Maitland 2.
Go ahead, mate, 1-2.
Sorry, job 466 that I just said was completed. There was actually no one there. We did go there, but no one was there.
Thank you for that clarification. So I understand you have done 456, but have not done 466.
That is correct.
Thank you, Maitland 2.
Maitland 4.
Go ahead, Maitland 4.
Yeah, just to let you know, we are heading to job number 491. Over.
Understand you're going to 491.
Yeah, don't mean to break in, guys, but that's the job you sent us to, Pete, and it's just been done. They've done it with the neighbour, over. 491 at Woodbury has been completed.
Yes, I see that. So I understand 491 is now complete.
Affirmative, it was a dangerous branch in a tree, and the neighbour next door had a little higher. They've pulled it down and removed it, all safe, all done, over.
Newcastle 4.
Yeah, Maitland, we have received that last message and we are heading to job number 488.
Newcastle is Newcastle 4.
Singleton, this is Singleton response 3, over. Singleton response 3, this is Singleton, over. Yeah, Singleton, we've been reassigned to Maitland, finished the job at Liam's Creek, over. Roger, out.
Maitland, Lake-Macquarie 1.
Go ahead, Lake-Macquarie 1.
Yeah, would you like us to proceed to your location now, or do you have another job in the Woodbury or on the way, over?
Yeah, just wait out for a while, Lake-Macquarie 1. We're just sorting that out right now.
Copy that. We'll stop here on the side of the road and wait. Lake-Macquarie 1 out.
Newcastle, this is Newcastle 4.
Newcastle receiving, Newcastle 4.
We have completed job number 24 in Mayfield. After a time off-site, please.
Newcastle 4, it's 1902.
Copy that, Newcastle. We are heading to Phoenix Club. Over.
Receive that, Newcastle 4.